This video reviews the procedure for sailing your boat off a mooring. Sailing off a mooring involves 4 steps. First, you have to decide in what direction you want to go when you leave the mooring. Look to your left, look to your right, and see if one side does not have another boat close to you. That would be the direction you want to leave. You need a few boat lengths to get your boat moving. If you have obstacles on both sides of you close abeam, you may have to consider leaving under power only, or coming up with some plan B, which involves backing your boat up before you get sailing. Once you decide in what direction you want to go, you need to wait for the boat to swing the other way. When a boat's on a mooring, the wind will oscillate the boat, swing it from one side to the other. So you want to wait for the oscillation that favors the direction you want to leave. If you want to sail off to the port, you want to wait for the boat to oscillate to starboard. You can increase the rotation of the boat by walking the mooring pendant back along the side. You need to wait for the boat to swing enough so the bow is no longer pointed in the no sail zone. You judge this by watching the boom. When it swings past the corner of the stern, you're in the right position. Now you're ready to go. Release the mooring pennant and head to the stern. Trim in the main sheet until the sail is full and you'll be on your way. There are some issues to think about relative to sailing off a mooring. The first is, when sailing with just a main, as with just a jib, it's very easy to stall the sail. When you stall the sail, you basically lose control of the boat, and it's going to drift in whatever direction the breeze or the current chooses to take it. If the wind is very light, you'll want to use your jib in addition to the main in order to be able to power up the boat and get moving. The second issue is, if you deploy a general on your cruising boat in order to get the boat moving well, you have the problem of now having a big blind spot. So you need to be extra attentive to be looking behind the general while you're making your way through other boats. Which brings us to the suggestion that if you have an auxiliary engine and you're not 100% confident of your ability to properly leave the mooring without any issues, it may be prudent to have the engine running so that if you need it, it's ready to go.
My sunshine, ooh, you will always be with me.